Chairman Przansky, distinguished members, committee members, my name is Randy Ellison, and I'm a victim survivor of sexual abuse by my minister as a teenager. I've lived a life very alone emotionally, and I've trusted no one. I've adamantly fought anyone, including bosses, who tried to control me in any way. Anytime someone at work tried to get me to do something I didn't feel right about, I moved on and never looked back. I've had 5 different major careers, moved my family to 5 different cities, and lived in 18 different homes. I became an alcoholic and a drug addict. My daughters had to grow up without my assistance, and my wife of 38 years has gone it mostly alone. The power differential between a minister, teacher, or parent and a child is as great as the difference between the mighty Mississippi and a seasonal creek. An adult that important to a child is on a pedestal and cannot possibly do wrong in the eyes of the child. I never admitted I was a victim or that my minister mentor was a predator until 2 years ago. It took me 3 months in therapy at age 56 before I could identify those acts even as a crime. It has taken me 2 more years to process the shame of being a victim and what I allowed to happen in my life as a result of it. Most victims are never able to make the associations I did, even this late in life. And if they do, most, as I, are unable to send their perpetrators to jail, even with rock-solid evidence due to the statute of limitations. Our only avenue to speak our truth and seek justice is in civil court. Some would say that I'm a successful victim. On the surface, it might appear that way. But surviving is not living. I want the opportunity to go beyond being a survivor. The only way for me to become whole again is through the civil courts. Please consider this bill a way to offer that option to as many child victims as possible. Today, this committee stands at a crossroads of helping define acceptable human behavior. Will you defend pedophiles in institutions, or will you take a stand to make a difference and support child victims? I hope you reach out your hand to the victims and send HB 2827 without amendment to the full Senate and help shine a light on this horrible invisible epidemic. Thank you.
Thank you.